Hello guys, so I want to teach you guys how to draft this pattern, how to draft these bodies, and how to attach the lace in front. Alright, so subscribe and keep watching. Thank you. So we are going to draft a basic bodice, alright, and then we will alter the basic bodice. Now from the shoulder part, I'm coming down by 8 inches. So after that, I will draft my neckline 3 by 3 and then put my shoulder measurements. Shoulder measurement should be about 7 to 8. That's 16 divided by 2. So I'm using 3 by 3 for my neckline and my neck width and neck depth. So I'm coming down by 1.5 inch for the shoulder slope. So you come down by 1.5 inch for the nipple line. So from the shoulder, you go down to your underbust line and then your waistline. So I'll just label the lines, the chest, the underbust, the waist. So the next thing we're going to do is to draw the dart intake, alright, and then we're going to take 1/2 inch on both sides for the dart intake. So the next thing is to take our measurement, our bust divided by 4, waist divided by 4. Okay. So I just remarked the shoulder. I realized that it was not the measurement I wanted to use, so I just remarked it. So for the armhole, divide the shoulder by 2 and then go in by 0.75, mark a straight line to meet it, and then connect it to your bust. So I'm just marking the difference between the front and the back for the bust dart, and then I'm connecting it. So this is a basic bodice, and then I want to trace it so that I'll be able to draw it on the other side and open it. So I'm just going to draw out the lines so that you can see. So this is how it looks like. From the shoulder, I'll go in by 2 inches. Okay, so I'll measure it and put what I have there, and then from there I'll go down by 4 inches or 4.5 or 3.5, anyhow you want it, and then from there I'll also measure what I have there, that's 3, and then mark a straight line to connect them. So from there I will draw another armhole and then connect it back to the former armhole. So this is our new armhole for the front. So I'm just going to cut it out and show you. So I'm recording the measurement, the length and the width. So I'm just going to open the dart to close the bust dart. So after closing the bust dart, this is how it looks like. So this is for the front, alright, this is for the front. So for the back, we are going to mark from shoulder to 8 inches, alright. We would have drafted the front and the back together, but that space, my working space is small. So I'll put the neckline and the neck depth and also the shoulder. So you come down by 1 inch for the back and then connect. Divide the armhole, the shoulder line into 2 and then go in by 0.5 to make your armhole. Connect a straight line to it. So you divide your bust by 4 and waist by 4, then connect your armhole, then connect your measurements. So for your back dart, you can use your bust part measurement divided by 2, and then your dart intake, you take 1/2 each on both sides, and then come down by 1 inch from the chest line and connect. So I forgot to add remove 1/2 inch from the waist for the zipper allowance, so that's what I did. So from that place, from that zipper side, you come down by 1/2 inch too. I want to eliminate the bulge. then redraw my measurement because I didn't do it earlier. I'm going to cut out the pattern and so that you see. So I'm tracing out the line so that it will appear on the other side. So this is me drawing out the lines on the other side so that I'll be able to alter it. So after that, I'll get the front pattern and place on the back pattern so that I'll be able to draw the armhole. So like we did for the front, from the shoulder and neck width, you go in by 2 inches and then you measure from there to 4 inches and then measure from your armhole to that place to get 3 inches, the way we did for the front, like I'm doing now. So after drawing a straight line, you connect the armhole back to it like so. So I'm trying to place the front on the back to see how this armhole is, because I don't want the back on to be too inside like the front. So I'm trying to redraw the armhole with the front part. I just want to check something first, but I won't use it. I won't use that armhole. I'm going to use my original armhole. Like I said, I won't use that armhole. I'm using my original armhole. Alright, I don't want the armhole to be inside too much. So this is how the back looks like, and this is how the front looks like. So we are going to place it on our fabric. So I've placed it on my fabric and I've cut it out with sewing allowances. On the side I used 2 inches. On the armhole neckline I used 1/2 inch. So for the back, this is how it is for the back. So I want to use this lace to do it, and also the applique. This applique, I want to use it for it. So I've already joined the front to the back with lining. So this is how it is, and it's time for putting the lace. So the lace is about one yard, and the applique is about 2 yards. Alright, so this is how I'm going to place it. So I'm trying to place the lace in a slanted position like so. So watch what I'm doing carefully. Note that this video is just for the up part. The down part is just a skirt pattern. So I didn't do the down part. It's just for the up part. Alright, so I'm trying to set my camera well to place it very well. So this is how I'm doing now. I want to fold that upper part. Okay, so from that armhole to the where the lace stops is about 2 inches. Alright, so I'm trying to arrange it well with my pin. Note that I used a lot of pin for this. Okay, so I'm pressing it in a slanted position. So I'm folding in the armhole part. I'm not folding in everything. Just look at what I'm doing. So after securing it with my pin, I'll cut out the excess. So this is the outcome. I'll place my applique like this and extend it towards the skirt part. Alright, and then on the armhole I'll place my sleeve there. So this is not really a detailed video about this style.